Hello, this week you're working on the integumentary system. It is a much easier chapter than the previous chapter, so I think you will enjoy it. There's still a lot you need to learn. Make sure you're reading the textbook twice. There is no lab worksheet this week, but there is lab, and that lab will help you with the material. And then next week there are 2 bones labs. So I suggest you start working on your bones lab this week, at least one of them. Also, I do suggest that you contact me if you're having trouble with class, and we can talk about study skills. If at this point you're not using these dynamic study modules, I do suggest you use them as they're very, very helpful with learning the material. So study hard for this integumentary chapter. That will help your grade it will help bring up your grade because it's just a much easier chapter, so know it well. There are 2 main components of it. First, the cutaneous membrane, which is the layers of the skin, and second are the accessory organs, the hair, the nails, and the glands. Just not as difficult as the tissue chapter. So I hope you enjoy this chapter, and please get back to me if you have any questions.